my name is Corey Johnson. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in advance. It's been an awesome year so far. COVID couldn't take us down, thank God. I'm super excited about this makeup look. I look like a reindeer, don't I? Do you like my reindeer? What's it called now? Alice band. I'm super excited about this makeup look. It has some glitters on, and this is a makeup that you can rock today on Christmas Day. So let's go on into the makeup look. So I'm doing my brows with my Eversheen pencil. And I'm using my LA Girl concealer and warm on. And I'll be using Maybelline Foundation Super Stay in Coconut 355.
Nobody can beat on him. Nobody like a bills on him. Ding dong, sing song, king, 'cause y'all know he born. Nobody can beat on him.
Tapping on some concealer.
Nobody like a bills on him.
You know you got me all smiling, yeah. Feel the love in the atmosphere. We just celebrate the king, so get out. Sparrows and bays like that.
I decided to do my eyes first for any other thing this time around, just for it sweet.
People know the vex cause I'm on a Christmas. To chop belly from my
I'm using my
brother
foundation
is
for
the
the upper part of my brows.
Here we go, representing, let the party begin. Celebrating all night long. Been a long year, but we all still strong. As you know,
To make it defined.
representing, let the party begin. Celebrating all night long. Been a long year, but we all still strong.
We got a lot to be grateful for. We got
So I'll be using this Juvia's Place palette. It's the Magic palette. I'll be using this orange color at the upper part of my crease for my transition color.
It's Christmas time. We got a lot to be grateful for. We got so much.
Next, I'll be using this gold color. It's really rich.
It's Christmas time. Come on tonight, let's get thankful. Come on tonight, let's get joyful. Come on tonight, let's bring joy to the world.
It's Christmas time.
Ooh, gonna have a lot of fun this Christmas. Ooh, I've been a good girl, go tell Father Christmas.
And everybody gon' show up. And everybody gon' turn up. And if anybody act all up, we're gonna be like, what's up with you?
We got a lot to be grateful.
I'll also be using this Juvia's Place palette. It is the Zuli palette. I really like this orange, so I'm going to use it on my transition.
Tonight, let's get thankful. Come on tonight, let's get joyful.
Just to soften that deep orange. That orange has a red undertone, so it's looking red.
This year been a long year. Many things we fit do was some. Been try to do was strong. Some of them
So I'm going to be using my Sacha Butter cosmetic powder on my brow bone.
My daddy no leave us on a long time. Satisfied our every long day. All our fears defeated.
Next, I'm going to be taking this brown color. It also looks like orange, but it is brown. I'm using it to contour and also blend the gold down on the edge.
First we thank the Lord for this one.
We got a lot to be grateful for. We got so much joy.
We got a lot of love to spread tonight, 'cause
It's Christmas time.
come on tonight, let's get thankful. Come on tonight, let's get joyful. Come on tonight, let's bring joy to the world.
It's Christmas time.
Bells go ding dong, sing song, king, 'cause y'all know he
So I'm going to be using this green for my under eye. I absolutely love the color, but before that, I'm going to use my black pencil for my under eye. So it's a Mabrook black pencil.
You know you got me all smiling, yeah. Feel the love in the atmosphere. We just celebrate the king, so get out.
And then the green.
Jiggling bells, happy girls, dressed to impress. People know the vex cause I'm on a Christmas. To chop belly
I'm
from
looking
my
all
brother is
Christmas
a must.
colorish, right?
Here we
Don't mind me, I'm not done yet. So I have this bluish, looks like turquoise color chunky glitters. I'm going to be laying it down here. In one of my previous videos, I mentioned that my benign glitter glue poured, so I poured it into this container. So that's what I'm going to be using for my lower eyelid. You want to be very careful that you don't put it inside your eyes. Feels like I'm wearing a jewelry under my eyes. I am really feeling this look. My eyes are beginning to get teary, but I'm gonna finish this look. So next is my foundation, and we're just gonna breeze into it very fast.
Been a long year. Many things we fit do was some. Been try to do was strong. Some of them succeeded, but inside the same yeah. My daddy no leave us on a long time. Satisfied our every long day. All our fears defeated. All my ladies come through with the colors. Mommy basement, pull out the decor. Raymond up here with the barbecue setup. Me and my guys born ready for the turn up. Me and my baby gone chill to the sun up. First we thank the Lord for this one.
We got a lot to be grateful for. We got so much joy. We got a lot of love to spread to the night.
So I'm going to use my concealer brush for this area.
Come on tonight, let's get thankful. Come on tonight, let's get joyful. Come on tonight, let's bring joy to the world. It's Christmas time.
And the bells go ding dong. Sing song. King, 'cause y'all know he born. Nobody can dethrone him. Throw the body like a bills on him. Ding dong.
Next is my concealer by Ellie Girl in Warm Honey.
Nobody can dethrone him. Throw the body like a bills on him.
You know you got me all smiling. Yeah. Feel the love in the atmosphere. We just celebrate the king, so get out. Christmas carols in bass like Lennon.
Jiggling bells, happy girls, dressed to impress. People know they vex cause I'm on a Christmas. To chop belly from my brother, it is a must.
As you know, here we go.
Representing, let the party begin.
Celebrating all night long. Been a long year, but we all still strong. As you know, here we go. Representing, let the party begin. Celebrating all night long. Been a long year, but we all still strong.
We got a lot to be grateful for.
We got
Next
so
is my
much
Sacha
joy.
Butter Cosmetic Powder.
It's Christmas time. Come on tonight, let's get thankful. Come on tonight, let's get joyful. Come on tonight, let's bring joy to the world. It's Christmas time.
We got a lot to be grateful for.
We got so much joy. We got a lot of love to spread tonight. 'Cause it's Christmas time.
Next is my Milani powder in Warm 109.
Come on tonight, let's get joyful. Come on tonight, let's bring joy to the world. It's Christmas time.
Ooh, gonna have a lot of fun this Christmas. Ooh, I've been a good girl, go tell Father Christmas.
And everybody go.
Next is my Maybelline powder in Java 375.
Anybody act all
So I'm using it to contour
be like, what's up with
the
you?
face.
Got a lot to be grateful for.
We got so much joy. We got a lot of love to spread tonight. 'Cause it's Christmas time. Come on tonight, let's get thankful. Come on tonight, let's get joyful. Come on tonight, let's bring joy to the world. It's Christmas time.
Next is my Maybelline highlighter.
With the barbecue setup. Me and my guys born ready for the turn up. Me and my baby gone chill to the sun up. First we thank the Lord for this one.
We got a lot to be grateful for.
We got so much joy. We got a lot of love to spread tonight. 'Cause it's Christmas time.
Woo! So I'm using my classic blush.
Come on tonight, let's get joyful. Come on tonight, let's bring joy to the world. It's Christmas
And the
time.
bells go ding dong.
Next is my Zaron pencil. It's a lip pencil, cappuccino. I love this pencil.
Nobody like the bills on here. Ding dong, sing song, king, 'cause y'all know he born. Nobody can beat on him. So nobody like the bills on him.
You know you got me all smiling. Yeah. Feel the love in the atmosphere. We just celebrate the king, so get out.
I really love this brown nude lipstick by Jordana. It is called Cinnamon Toast.
People know they vex cause I'm on a Christmas. To chop belly from my brother, it is a must.
As you know, here we go. Representing, let the party begin. Celebrating all night long. Been a long year.
And I'm using this MAC lipstick in Velvet
Here
Teddy.
we go. Representing, let the party begin. Celebrating all night long. Been a long year, but we all still strong. We got a lot to be grateful for. We got so much joy.
I'm going to finish it with this lipstick by
It's
Nina.
Christmas
This is
time.
nude.
Come on tonight,
Oh,
let's get
brilliant.
thankful. Come on tonight, let's get joyful. Come on tonight, let's bring joy to the world. It's Christmas time. We got a lot to be grateful for.
Lest we
We got
forget to
so
finish
much
the eye.
joy.
I'm going to be using this Glam Girl felt pencil.
It's Christmas time. Come on tonight, let's get thankful. Come on tonight, let's get joyful. Come on tonight, let's bring joy to the world. It's Christmas time. Ooh, gonna have a lot of fun this Christmas.
And I'll be using Zaron Cosmetic
I've
mascara.
been a good girl, go tell Father Christmas.
And everybody gon' show up. And everybody gon' turn up. And if anybody act all up, we're gonna be like, what's up with
We
you?
got a lot to be grateful for. We got so much joy. And we got a lot of love to spread tonight. 'Cause it's Christmas time.
It's time to party. Hey.
Come on tonight, let's